Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually block a YouTube channels on the YouTube app. Very easy guys, very simple, using your phone only. Let's launch the YouTube app first. The first thing you want to do, you probably want to scroll through the actual YouTube channels and find channel that you want to block. Let's say for example we want to block this Forbes breaking news channel, right? All you gotta do is to click on the channel itself, don't click on the video. You gotta click on the channel. And when you're at the channel, you want to go and click on the top right corner at the three dots. Now, I want you to click on either. The first option you have is hide this user from my channel. This essentially means that you're not going to be able to see their content anymore. They're not going to be able to see your content anymore. And you're going to send a very clear note to the YouTube algorithm that this channel is not welcome watching or interacting with your content. But if there is a particular reason, if somebody actually stealing your content, right? If somebody's actually harassing you, if somebody's actually, copyright infringe your actual content. So all you gotta do is to click on the last option, which is report user. And then you wanna come over here and then you wanna click again, report user. Then you want to click, if none of these applies to you, you want to click the last option, which is none of these apply. Then you click next. Then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the new YouTube community guidance page. And you want to click on the last option, which is help. When you click on help, you will be able to scroll down to the bottom and then you will be able to click contact us. When you click contact us, you will be put on hold for connecting and chatting with real YouTube representative, and you can explain your issue and they will be able to help you resolve it immediately. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and of course come back for more.